Hi everyone, it's me, Candy. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. So, a big question I always get on any TikTok or Instagram photo or even YouTube video that I post about my PC setup, I always get comments like,
imagine being rich.
Must be nice being rich.
I wish I could have a PC like this, but I can't afford it. Things like that, or asking me if I know affordable options for a pink PC setup. And usually it sucks, and I'll be the first to admit it. There's not many affordable options out there, especially that are easily accessible. You can't find cute like mice and keyboards on AliExpress that are cute and pink. But other than that, they take forever to get here, and it's not super accessible. So one day I was just scrolling on Big Lots, their website, because we love a bargain here and I have a shopping problem, and I came across this. It had no reviews. It looked like a new listing, but if you can't see from the box, it's a 4-in-1 gaming kit. That's what they're calling it. And it comes with headphones, a keyboard, a mouse, and a mouse pad. And look, it's pink! And I saw it, and it was only $40 for all of these, which I think is a really great deal. After shipping and taxes, I think it was like $56, I believe. But still, a pretty good deal for 4 products that you can use on your PC setup. And they're pink. And I was like, I need to get this for science. I need to get this for scientific reasons. I'll be doing a little review for y'all to let you know if it's actually worth your $40. I'm really excited. I don't know what the quality is gonna be like, so I'm really excited to open this up and share with all of you. But first, if you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. That would mean a lot to me and it really helps out the channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. That also means so much to me. Please be sure to click that bell icon. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to see more videos like this where I search for cute bargain tech, let me know by clicking the thumbs up button. As for the actual quality of the products, I tested them out for a few days. First, I guess we could start off with the headset, and I also had my boyfriend test them out. Honestly, he knows more about sound and everything than I do. To me, if I hear my music, it works. The headset, when I first unboxed it, it looked very small, and it's also really like plasticky. It's really hard. The ear cups are actually pretty comfortable, and I like that there's a pink mesh on the inside. I don't know, aesthetically it's really nice, and it diffuses the sound a little bit so it's not as harsh. And when I saw this, I was like, there's no way this is gonna fit my big head. Like, it's so small. But actually, it fits. It fits pretty well. Oh, it fully covers my ear, so I guess that's good, right? It does fit. I will say the only weird thing, it's cool that you can put the mic up like this and put it down like that, but usually when headsets have that feature, when you put it back up, it means that you're muting yourself. But with this headset, it doesn't mute, so I don't know what the point is. I guess to just get it out of the way. I wish the wires weren't gray. I really like that the volume control has this little nozzle. It's not too bulky. I have another headset that has volume control on the wire as well, and it's a lot more bulkier than this, so I really appreciate that it's really small. The headset, I do wish it was USB, but it is headphone jacked for the mic and the headset sound itself. On the headphone jack, it actually tells you what color is used for what. Green one is for the sound, and then the pink red one is for the microphone. In terms of sound, it's actually not that bad of quality considering I literally paid $40 for it. There is a little bit of bass, not that much. It does get uncomfortable after a few hours of using it, but it's because these seem very narrow. They're not too big. To me, like, it looks like a child's headset. I don't feel like it's for an adult just because it's so narrow. And the band up here is so thin. If you see it right here, it's such a thin band. All things considered, I think it's a good quality for the price that you pay for it. I'm even surprised that the Big Lots headset comes with a mic, especially one that's not that bad considering the price. Like my Yowu pink Bluetooth headset, I think I paid like $140 for it. Just the headset. It's just a built-in Bluetooth microphone, which sounds like crap. It's a really bad mic, so I think it's a really good deal that this headset comes with a microphone at all. I wasn't expecting it. This is me using the Big Lots headset. This is me talking from the Big Lots headset with the mic flipped upward. I'll be honest, I don't really like the mouse pad. Not only because of size, I prefer bigger mouse pads, but the design I think is kind of ugly. I'm so sorry. Cyber Sport, I don't know. This print looks like something you'd get from Justice, so I kind of hate that. I wish they just did a solid pink, but you know, if you don't have that much space and you don't have a mouse pad, I mean, this is fine. No one's gonna look at your mouse pad. It's just up to personal preference. The keyboard, I was actually kind of surprised at how decent it is, especially for the price. This keyboard, I wouldn't be surprised if it was $40 on its own, but the fact that it's $40 and it includes a mouse and a headset and a mouse pad, I think it's a pretty good deal. I was really surprised that it has the level adjustments on the back. You would think that it would just kind of, because it's a cheap keyboard, you would just think it'd just be like bam, a keyboard, but I like that it has that adjustment. Of course, it's not hot swappable, but also like this is the spacebar look. It's not that loud, but also it does feel very plasticky. Am I gonna reach for this keyboard instead of my Echo keyboards? No, I'm not. But if this was my only keyboard, I literally would not be upset about it. It's quieter than my Razer keyboard, which is insane, because my Razer keyboard was so expensive. And look, it is not that loud. So again, for the price, it's actually pretty decent. It's not the most amazing one, but I mean, I didn't have any trouble typing on him. I mean, for $40, it's a very decent keyboard. For the keyboard, I do wish that there was different RGB color setting. The only RGB things you can really adjust is whether it's on or off, or different modes, and also the brightness, which I mean, I guess is more than enough for a $10 keyboard. All you do is press FN, and there is an LED button and a brightness up and down button. Like I have a more expensive keyboard that doesn't have RGB backlit keys, so I think for this one to even have it, it's a really good deal. And like I said, the keys are actually pretty quiet as well, which I'm kind of shook about. And lastly, the mouse. The only thing that sucks is that the scroll here, I don't know if mine was just defective, but it did not work. Then my boyfriend used it and it didn't work for him in a game. So I'm not sure what's up with that. It is really cool though that it has an option right here for the DPI to adjust that, which is crazy for like a $10 mouse. I didn't think it would have DPI adjustment right there, which is cool because you could just press that button. You don't need to download any software. The RGB lights are really pretty on this one. It felt like it had a lot more than my Razer one. I filmed a few comparison shots, but it goes all around here, and it's really soft, and it actually fits my hand pretty well. I wasn't expecting the best, so I'm pleasantly surprised at how well it worked. Overall, I think for the price, again, it's $40 before shipping and taxes. I think for the price and the amount of items that you get, I think the quality is fairly decent. I was really surprised about the keyboard and also the headset. I really thought the headset was going to sound like trash. It's actually pretty decent. Wish that the mouse had a scroll thingy that worked. I don't know if that's just I just got a defective one or if that's how all of them are, so just be warned if you're considering this. The scroll for mine doesn't work. It could work for yours. I'm not too sure. I honestly did not want to buy a second set just to get the mouse, so I'm so sorry. I probably should have done that. If you're starting off and you can't afford pink PC peripherals, I would definitely recommend this. It's definitely a good option if you have a Big Lots near you. It might be in stores, I'm not too sure, but I found it online and I just checked and it's still in stock. I think for the price, I'm not upset that I spent that money. I was honestly expecting far worse in terms of the keyboard and the headset. The only disappointment is the mouse pad because it's so ugly. I wish they would have just gone with a solid pink. But let me know what you thought about it in the comment section. Were you expecting it to be a lot worse than it actually was? I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on it. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. If you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. That would mean a lot to me and helps out the channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. That also means so much to me. Please be sure to click that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more videos like this where I try to look through the internet and find cute, affordable PC parts, just click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to check out all my other social media links. They'll be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really truly appreciate it, and I hope you have a great and magical, wonderful day. Bye!